Well, hi there. Story time with Jake, Emma, and Grandma Pat. Under the scorching summer sun, Grandma Pat decided it was the perfect day to make her famous watermelon juice. Her grandchildren, Emma and Jake, watched in anticipation as she selected the ripest, juiciest watermelon from the kitchen counter. With steady hands, she sliced it open, revealing the ruby-red flesh inside. The sweet, refreshing scent filled the room, promising relief from the oppressive heat. Grandma Pat scooped out the watermelon chunks and placed them into the blender, adding a hint of mint and a squeeze of lime for an extra zing. As the blender whirred, she regaled the children with stories of her own childhood summers spent on her family's farm, where watermelons were abundant and juice was a special treat. When the juice was ready, Grandma Pat poured it into tall, frosty glasses, garnishing each with a sprig of mint. Emma and Jake took their first sips, their eyes lighting up with delight. The trio clinked their glasses together, savouring the cool, refreshing taste and the shared moments of summer joy and acts of kindness. Do enjoy your favourite summer drink this summer. Take care